Merry Christmas! Pujiko said Merry Christmas! Hi! Hi! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Pujiko!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Look! Look at siya. Good morning, Pujiko!
Love you.
Wow! Let's go. Ayaw niya na umalis. Let's go.
Papasok na naman daw kasi sa kwarto.
Let's go.
Let's go na, go na.
You change clothes. You change your clothes, okay? Let's go. Change clothes.
Go na. Go get dressed na. Friend tayo sa labas.
Go. We're going out.
Look!
Aga-aga pinaiyak eh. Ayan na. Mahal na mahal niya yung daddy niya. Mahal na mahal niya yung daddy niya, guys. Tignan niyo, oh. Lagi kasing wala daddy niya eh, kaya nahanap niya. Oh no! Don't cry! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Chico! Merry Christmas! Tumain muna siya bago kami makarating, guys. Bago kami makarating sa mall. Tumain muna ang baby. Sa kotse. Look! 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 Who's hungry? Who's... Oh, you!
Are you hungry?
Careful! Para ka na siyang nagmumodel eh. Look ito. Look. What's that? Slow moving. What's that?
Oh, let's eat na. Are you hungry? Who's hungry? Who's hungry, baby? Ano? Wala. Na-distract siya sa mga labubo.
Walang upload eh.
Waiting ko yung sa akin.
Hi! Merry Christmas, everyone! Say, Merry Christmas! Say it! Oh, it's Christmas Day! Kiss mommy, kiss! Kiss mommy! Kiss! 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 Oh no, you wanna go down? Wanna go down? Malikot na bata.
Sa inyo,
Guys, kakain muna kami ngayon ng lunch. Hi! Oh, you're so sexy! You're What's that, Fujiko? Wow! You're so sexy, huh? Wow! It's Christmas tree. It's a ball. It's Christmas ball. Guys, may bata. Ayan na. Ah! Look! That's you? It's you! Oh, look, it's you. More? More? Hulog. May pinabala.
No, 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 no.
Oh no!
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No.
Say no! Love mo na. Yummy!
Wala siya nainom. Hindi umakyat. Wala ba? Wala siya nainom. Hindi umakyat. Ala, kawawa. Pwede mo na.
Tampo. Ikaw kasi.
Okay, here you go, here you go.
Ikaw kasi.
That's too much, baby. Baby, ang dami na. Hala. Tumayo na.
Dance, dance, touch, 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 touch. Touch, touch, touch. Wow! Hello? 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 Abay mo natin. Ay!
Hindi mo binigay.
Oh no! Di binigay.
Merry Christmas!
From Fujiko.
Oh, wow.
Yun daw yung bayad niya sa pagkukulit niya.
Saka sa pagtae dyan sa ano mo, pantalon na to.
Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Hi guys, so ngayon, after namin kumain, eto, nag-coffee na kami. And then, something like appetizer. Sarap nito. Sweet siya. Merry Christmas everyone! So, ngayon ulit ako nakapag-update guys sa pag-vlog kasi busy. Tsaka si Fuji ko kasi inaalagaan ko. nagpo-focus ako sa kanya. Sobrang likot na niya ngayon, guys. As in, alam niyo ba na si Fujiko, dalawa yung puyo niya sa ulo. So, ibig sabihin daw nun, makulit, sobrang makulit. Diba? Para siyang lalaki. So, ngayon, pag ito, wala siya dito kasi nandun naglalakad-lakad. Happy holidays, guys! Guys, ang sarap nitong squid dito. Ito. Ayan, maliliit lang siya. Ayan. Maliliit siya na squid na spicy. Yummy. Oh, yummy. Gusto mo lang, mag-kilikiller yung mga.
Okay.
Sige daw. Tignan mo dito, dali. 1, 2.
Malingaso yung amoy sa buong restaurant.
Perfect.
Malingaso yung amoy sa buong restaurant.
Ano mo, score?
2.
Let's go!
2 out of 2.
Wow! So fresh. So guys, we're home now, so we're going to open Fujiko's gifts! Ito si Fujiko, guys. Wait lang. Baby! Come, let's go! Wow! Are you excited to open your gifts? Say yeah! Say yeah! Yeah! Let's go, 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 go! Go, go! Let's go! So guys, we're going to open Fujiko's gifts! Grabe. Pagod. Okay. So today, are you excited, Fujiko? Say yeah! Are you excited to open your gifts? Say yeah! Say yeah! Say yeah! Yay! Yay! Oh, let's open your gifts now. Go, go, go. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go, baby. Let's open your gifts.
Let's open your gifts. Oh, first, this one, Fujiko. Ay, no. Ito muna. This, nasaan kami?
Thank you.
Oh, game. Oh, open. Oh, let's open.
Baby. Open.
Open?
Open.
Say open.
Open.
Narinig niyo, guys. Okay, open. Wow! This is from Ninang Sophie and Jervik.
Wow, thank you.
Look, Fujiko. Wow! Wow! Next. This one. Yung iba kasi, guys, hindi pa namin nakuha. Nandun pa sa naik yung iba niyang regalo. Saka yung Ona, saka yung pala dyan. So, yan guys. This is the next one. This is from
Tito Jeric and William and Nerissa.
Yay!
Open it.
Fujiko, say open.
Say open.
Say open. Say open.
Open.
Look. Want to
Open,
open this? Open.
Let's go.
Say yeah.
Wow.
Oh no.
Parang preso nga.
Secret muna.
Parang preso.
Wow!
Ayun, ulipat agad siya.
Guys, sa mga di nakakalam, mahilig sa maleta si Fujiko.
Mahilig sa maleta. Kaya maleta namin nakatago doon.
Oo.
Wow! Say thank you, Ninong Ninang.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ninong Ninang Jerissa
Ayan,
and
tinanggal.
William.
Ba't nauna yung daddy nagtanggal?
Siyempre, para malaro niya.
Siya nagbubukas nga.
Wow, baby! Go! Try it, baby. Go!
Wow!
Go, try it!
Oh, wow! Like it.
Go! Luggage mo yan.
Wow!
Philippine Airlines, flight number
Wow.
492.
Wow! Oh, tinawin niya.
Oh, flight
Alam
number
na na yung gagawin
491. Go, baby!
Wow! Oh, next one.
Meron pa yan sa loob, baby.
Yeah. You wanna open it?
You wanna see what's inside? Go, buksan ko. Wow daw, sabi niya, nakita niya yung
Hindi ako
ano.
marunong. Baka masira ko. Ano to? Paano to buksan?
May instruction.
Yun! 1, ready, set, go!
Ang dami niya po. Gutin!
Oh no! Hindi ito matutulog, guys.
Ibalik mo, bakit mo? May bubuksan pa siyang gift. Mamaya, later na baby.
Later.
Later.
Yay!
Baby, later. Lagay mo yung lahat sa loob. Later. Wala na, focus na siya dyan.
Nag-blower.
Dahil pala, mami sabi.
Pinubukas mo eh. Oh, ayan.
Ayan, nagustuhan ni Fuji ko.
Oh, later, baby, later. Okay?
Later, baby.
Oh, next.
Nabigyan mo po po kasi may hawak yan.
Yung iba kasi namin mapapakita siguro sa ibang vlog na lang, sa vlog ni JM. Kasi hindi pa sila ko iba. Yung mga nandito pa lang muna. Ito, next. To Fuji ko Hayami from Tita Ekay. Yay!
Thank you.
Open?
Thank you, Ninong Ekay.
Open?
Open.
Narinig niyo guys? Open daw. Oh, gusto mo ikaw mag-open.
Okay. Ninang Ekay got you a... Wow!
Open!
It's a...
Unicorn! Look! Sundan mo siya, Tessa. Sundan niyo guys, para makita niyo tunay na reaction niya.
Look daw, look.
Oh guys, this is the final reaction. So, nung binigay kasi nila na nakabalot, di pa niya ma-appreciate. Pero pag ganyan na, look. Oh. Wow!
Merry Christmas, baby, from Ninang Ekay. And we got here from Ninong Jig.
Jig. Wow.
Ninong Jig.
Fuji ko, say open.
Would you guys say open?
Yan,
Baby.
open.
Open. Wow!
Wow!
Baby!
It's
It's
a...
a sweater. Long
Wow!
sleeve. Wow, baby! Thank you,
Thank you,
Jig.
Jig.
Wow, ganda
Thank
na.
you, guys.
May isa ganun.
The
Next up, we have...
Hindi, sa akin ata yun.
Wala
Wala.
na.
So, yung regalo na natin. Kasi yung... Ay, kay Nikki pa. May kay Nikki pa.
Baby!
Tignan niyo mabuti. Oh, there's another one. Oh, this is from Ninang Nikki. So, ito yung pinakamahalaga niya natanggap. Kimbal.
Ako na, punitin ko. Wow, baby!
Oh, parang gamit to ah.
Baby, look!
Open! Nabisi na siya doon.
Look, baby, Ninang Nikki got you a...
Oh!
Wow! An outfit! There you go.
Look!
Duck. Wow!
Hindi niya alam na damit yan.
Okay, baby.
So guys, ang next naman natin, dito ka baby, come here.
Come, baby. Come here, baby.
So ang next naman natin is, kasi ngayon iba wala pa, so bubuksan na natin yung regalo muna namin ni JM.
Okay, yung regalo muna ni Mami bago yung regalo.
Uy,
natin.
regalo mo
Ah!
yan! Ito regalo ko. Hindi, pero ito guys, oh, makita ko yan. To Fuji Coco from Mom and Dad, nakalagay. Ito rin from Mom and Dad. So ito yung regalo namin sa kanya this Christmas!
Yung sa'yo muna, buksan. Yung sa'yo muna.
Ito yung kay Daddy. Wait lang, Fuji
Fuji ko.
ko.
Busy nga siya, oh.
This is from Daddy! Open?
Open!
You want to open?
Open!
Open?
Open!
Open! Ikaw lang ba?
Baby! Come here! Come, baby! Come!
Come!
Baby! This is my gift for you, baby!
Wow!
Wow!
It's a Barbie!
Surprise ka pa. Hayaan mo na.
Oh, look!
Oh, look! Wow!
Wow!
You like it?
You like it? Say yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah, look! What's this? It's Barbie!
Okay, wait.
Buksan mo. Naku, binuksan na ng tatay.
Siyempre.
Kakalat na yan.
Baby.
nagkalat na yung mga accessories.
Ay, kailangan ng gunting.
Kailangan ng gunting. Hindi, tas yan napigtan.
Wow! Natakot.
Wow, it's...
Natakot!
Baby, it's a Barbie! Natakot!
Love, ayaw niya. Natakot siya.
Go, 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 go. Fujiko, it's a Barbie. Look, oh, look, oh, look. Oh. Wow! There's a shoes. Oh. Oh, put it in. Put it in.
Love, ayaw niya. Hindi pa kasi edad niya para
Ayaw niya
maglaro
ng
nito.
Barbie.
Ayaw niya talaga.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Oh,
It's okay,
next.
baby. You don't have to play with it.
Next
Paglaki
one.
mo na lang.
This is mommy's gift.
Siyempre, mga ano to, baka kainin niya. Sapatos.
Mom and dad. Wow,
Okay.
bigla mo na dito.
How about this, baby?
At bakit? Huwag muna. Papakita mo na sa kanya. Bibigyan mo na. Ano na yun?
Okay.
Look, look. Oh. Wow! Oh. Open?
Open.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Lalayo na siya. Natakot siya lang. Lalayo na siya.
One, ready, set, go!
Si Elsa!
Wow! Yun guys, kaya namin kanina sabi parang parehas kasi parehas sila parang maleta tsaka ito. Pero magkaiba naman sila. Pero sa loob niya, makeup din siya. So ito nga, maleta rin siya. Oh, let's open it! Wow! 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 Paano open to? Tinitignan niya, oh.
Akin na. Akong bukas.
Open?
Ba't naiinip na yung bata? Akin na.
Wow! Hindi niya pa alam guys kung ano laman niya, pero magugustuhan niya yan. Oh no, that's daddy. Alam, may ano. Let's wait! Yan.
Baby!
Wow! Wow! What's this? Pwede ka.
That's not baby.
Ano ba ito buksan? Paano yan, no? Angat. Ano yung maleta? Ay, paano ito yung ano? Ah, gano'n. Wow! Ang cute naman ang maleta na ito.
Ready ka na for travel, baby.
You have to. Oh. What will you say? Open? Open pa daw. What will you say? Thank you. Oh, kiss mommy, daddy. Kiss, kiss. Kiss mommy.
How about daddy?
Oh,
Daddy, kiss daddy.
Kiss daddy.
Kiss daddy. I love you.
Yung pag ano, may something kami binibigay, nagkikiss siya talaga. Wow. Oh, you're busy now.
Go play with
Open.
your toys.
Open daw,
You
love.
deserve it.
Love,
You know what?
love, open daw.
You deserve it. It's Christmas.
Open daw, love. Open mo daw.
Here
Open.
you go, baby.
Same din. Parehas din.
Sabi ko na eh, parehas na parehas eh. Magkaiba lang ng kulay.
Oh,
may
ito
flower
magugustuhan niya.
din.
Oh.
Salamin,
Baby,
salamin.
you'll love this mirror. Napakahilig tumingin sa salamin ng batang yan.
Oh no! Hindi mo makita yung mukha niya.
Okay, kalat. Alam na, Tems. Daming kalat. Merry Christmas, guys!
Merry Christmas!
Thank you for watching!
Ang dami rin ang
Merry
dagdag
Christmas!
yung
Thank you sa mga
dito.
ninang at ninang ni Fuji Coco. Thank you guys sa mga ninang at ninang. Ay, wait lang! Ito pa. Tems, Merry Christmas!
Thank you!
Hindi ko yung binalot talaga, ay pinabalot sa'yo. Para...
Akala na po di ko
Akala niya
kanya.
sa kanya.
Open this, open.
Oh no!
Open this for me.
Yeah, dadali. Open.
Open?
Open?
Open? Open daw. Nako. Open.
Open!
Merry Christmas, guys! Love.
Merry Christmas. Bye-bye. Happy New Year.
May, what will you say to Ninong Jem and Ninang Mia? Do you want to kiss Fujiko?
Kanina sabi niya eh. Sama lang siya kay Tems kanina. Oh.
You said, do you want to kiss Fujiko? You shy?
Bye-bye!
Oh, bless Ninong Jem. Bless mo na Ninong Jem. Bless. Bless.
Oh, Yari, so.
They will give you a gift.
You know, look up.
Wow! Merry Christmas! Ito naman yung galing kay Ninang Carla. You want to open it? Open? Open? Ay, dahil sinama ko yung ano. You want to open it? Kujiko? Say open. Say open.
Open.
Oh, look, oh. Open? Okay, oh. Open. 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 Say please. Please. Oh. Open. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Wow, it's a... Wow! Hold it. Oh. Wow, oh, it's a set. Look, oh. Wow. Oh, it means you need to eat.
You need to eat more.
You need to eat. Oh, you have already. Ito magugustuhan niya to.